Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today I have some high energy cleaning motivation for you guys. We're going to be getting some more spring cleaning done around the house. I have a whole list to do. If you're cleaning with me today, go ahead and prop your device up and let's get our to-do list done. And if you're just hanging out with me today, make sure you comment down below and say hi. We're going to go ahead and start with the downstairs bathroom. This is our smaller bathroom, so I'm just going to be doing a lot of dusting, doing the baseboards, deep cleaning that toilet and surrounding area with the Bissell steam shot. We got tons to do, so let's go ahead and dive in. So I'm starting off with removing everything out of the bathroom so I don't have anything in my way when I clean from top to bottom. So when I clean the vents or the fans, I like to use my vacuum cleaner so it can suck all of that up and it's not falling all over the floor or myself. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean the toilet. I'm using the Clorox wipes on the outside of the toilet, and then we are going to use the Clorox wand to clean inside the bowl. And then I'm also going to use the Bissell steam shot down there around the rim and the floor and all that back area. Lights down low, still wondering what you're saying. So we do have hard water here, so sometimes I have to use one of those pumice stones to go ahead and clean inside the toilet bowl. So I need to pick another one up from Lowe's. That's where I get mine, and then it gets some of that area that regular cleaning product won't get up. So I'm just going ahead and filling up my bucket with some water and Fabuloso so I can clean the floors. I'm also using my Zep wall cleaner to do the baseboards and the door and get all of the dirt and fingerprints off of it. So my Dyson was charging. I decided to use my wet vac to vacuum out the floors. I didn't use it to mop it because I wanted to use the Fabuloso to mop my floors today. And I didn't want to throw the Fabuloso in the wet vac just because you have to use a specific floor cleaner for it. So the bathroom is deep cleaned. It is refreshing to have it this clean, you guys. I love going in with the Bissell and getting the walls and all of that dust up. It really feels good when you walk into that space. Now we're gonna go ahead and do some spring cleaning in my bedroom. We're not gonna tackle underneath the bed today because I didn't have my husband's help. This mattress is a king mattress and it's super heavy. I just didn't want to lift it on my own, so I'd rather do it when he's home so he can help me. So I'm pretty sure I talked about this in one of my videos, but if I didn't, I'm sorry. But I'm still using 2 comforters or down blankets. And I was using it for the fact that it gives me that weighted blanket feel. So I feel like I fall asleep faster. I know it seems like it's getting hot here. It is getting hot here, but because we have our air conditioner on now, it is cold in the house. So it still works out. And then I have that coziness wrapped all around my body.
And you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
So I just finished disinfecting the bike and dusting it. I used the Clorox wipes because it just collects the dust a lot easier. And then that mat that the bike is on has tons of dog hair, so those wipes helped out a lot. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean the baseboards, the walls, the doors, all of that good stuff. Also, shout out to my daughter. Her birthday is in the next few days, as well as mine, because our birthdays are a day apart, and we're celebrating this weekend. We are gonna have her birthday party, and I'm so excited. Lots of fun stuff. So I'll probably share some stuff over on Instagram if you're following me there. So it's just been a busy last few days, and it's gonna be a busy and fun, exciting next few days. I did just buy this new laundry basket that I got from Target. I love it so much. It's so cute. I needed one closer in the room so my husband doesn't keep throwing his clothes on the floor. So hopefully this solves our problem. Mind you, he does work 12-hour days, so by the time he gets home, he's so tired. So I don't blame him, but I'm not going to keep picking up those clothes. So we're going to keep this basket in the room. So hopefully he can get in the routine of throwing the clothes inside a laundry basket. Gotta work smarter, not harder. Are done with the bedroom and we are headed to my laundry room. I'm going to go ahead and start a load of laundry and get this laundry done today. And then we're going to go ahead and reorganize my shelf, get rid of anything that is empty and needs to go. And then the floors are so dirty, you guys, so dusty. So we're going to get in between the washer and dryer and clean that area too.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Was really I see the benefits now, and you're broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it would take a miracle now to fix the problems. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now, and you're broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? Fall back to you, fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you?
So I'm using another mixture of the Fabuloso and the water, and I'm getting the sides of the washer and dryer, that tray that the wash machine is in or on, and then the floors and baseboards.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution. I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant. All the words you never said. All the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble.
So now that the wash machine stopped washing, I'm just going in and cleaning that surrounding area right there, and then I'm going to switch loads. I'm going to throw that in the dryer and add my last load of laundry, which I'm really excited because I had a pile in here a couple of weeks ago, and I have got everything washed, and now I just need to keep up with it.
I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant. All the words you never said. All the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble.
So we are all done cleaning in here. This is another space I was really proud of. It just feels good when it's deep cleaned. I also got a new laundry basket, the one I just put in the corner. I also got that from Target, and I'm gonna get rid of this one that we've been using for a while. It doesn't stand up straight. It's all bent and old and probably has mold in it, to be honest. So I'm getting rid of that, and we have this new fresh one. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching my video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of it. Please comment down below and let me know how you're doing. What plans do you have this weekend? What you're working on? And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.